Hello guys, it's Mike's Vlogs UK. Salmon guys for a Sunday meal. Ayan. I put some salt, a bit black pepper, salt, and a bit of butter. Ayan guys. Bit of butter before we fry, yeah? Para maging all we need, let's put the butter a little bit. Olive oil. Put some of it. Yan, pa-fry na natin guys. Fry with the olive oil. Ay, sorry. Aray ko. Ayan. Pa-fry na natin, guys. Just like that. I just wanted to steam this salmon, but my kids love fried salmon. Very easy, very easy to cook, just like that. Yeah, I'll just put some seasoning, salt, and the black pepper, and that's it. And then we can have also a boiled of potato. Ayan. A boiled potato in here with the salmon. And that's our Sunday meal. All we need 2 bananas, fresh milk. And of course, yung ating yogurt, guys. Ayan. Plain lang siya. Yogurt. So, that's all we need for a banana smoothie. Ayan, guys. And put some yogurt. Only plain, guys, plain. This is good benefits, guys. Plain yogurt. And of course, yung ating milk. That's it. Okay. That's it. Our smoothie banana. Smoothie bananas. Some bananas. Another one piece of bananas. Some plain yogurt. Plain yogurt for me is really healthy. And this is the kids' favorite. And put some milk. Okay. Right. Nice. ready as well. Ready to serve. Yes, guys. Ayan na guys, ready to serve na yung ating Sunday meal, guys. Ayan, we can have the salmon, salad, boiled potato, beetroot. Ayan guys, and of course we have a carrot cake as well. Yan, meron tayong carrot cake yan, yung ating dessert. Ayan, it's so yummy carrot cake. And that's our dessert guys. And our drinks, of course, the banana smoothie. And guys, let's eat, let's eat. Sunday meal. So earlier this morning, earlier this morning guys, yeah, we done cleaning up, cutting the grasses, trimming, and cleaning at the back here, and time to lamon. Yeah, time to lunch, time to have a lunch like this guys. Very very healthy food. So this is our life in UK. Yeah, all around, right, Bebe? Yeah, we did make this table. So see, dandahan ko itong yeah, we made this table, I made the chair, fixed everything, but it was really really challenging everything, because you know I learned a lot here in UK than Philippines. And very very yummy banana smoothie. Come on, finish your banana smoothie. Someone's calling me. You see that? No. So that's it guys, Saturday and Sunday I don't have any live streaming because this is it. I know I'm very busy. A very busy life with my two beautiful kids. You know, I'll go. Why you don't want me to say beautiful to you? Huh? Speak on. Speak on. Speak. Yeah, that's why I don't have any live streaming Saturday, Sunday, because I'm so busy. Yeah. And this is my life in UK, right, Bebe? Why you don't speak? What's wrong with you? And this is Ella, my daughter, and Michael. You know, finished already. It's food. Finish. Done. Done. And only Ella's left. Only Ella's left. And fruit is also nearly done. So very very healthy food for a Sunday meal. Right, that's it guys, and don't push me. Come on, say bye bye to them. Happy Sunday everyone, and this is Ella My Vlogs UK, and this is our life in UK, and we really enjoyed our Sunday meal. Yeah, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to like and share, and of course click the button bell so you can get notified every time I have new upcoming videos. Thank you very much, and shout out to all my friends, of course, Super Chatter guys, big shout out to you, Rowena Lady, Super Chatter this week, Rowena Lady, Melfast Vlogs, and of course Roger Korea Official. That is our Super Chatter for this week, and please support. And this is it. Thank you so much. Have a blessed Sunday everyone. Bye bye.